Welcome. In front of me is a Honor View 20, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So jumping straight to it, there's two ways you can access it, either through settings, or a quicker way is to pull down the notification bar. And you will see this little pencil icon, tap on it, and you have the Do Not Disturb mode basically as a toggle here. So you can hold it and drag it over here, let it go. Tap on the arrow to go back, and now it's in the notifications. So you can enable it anytime you want, just by tapping on it, and it will be enabled by default, when you tap on it, it will use the default settings of it, which also, if you hold it, it will take you straight to the settings. So I'm actually need to turn it off to change the settings. And from here you can change how it actually works, which will also affect how the default setting of it works. And as you can see, you have the time, so you can tap on the time and change when it starts, when it ends, and what days it affected in automatically. So custom is when you tap on it, actually you get to choose which days of the week you want it to automatically turn on. So you could select basically, let's say, every day apart from, for instance, Friday, and tap on done, and then also choose the time that you want it to start. So that's the time it starts. 22 can, or well, 10 can work, and 7 in the morning it turns off. So let's just say that this is the way we want it, and then when it's set you can just enable it, and now it automatically will turn on almost every single day of the week apart from Friday at 10 to 7 in the morning. And you also have an event which you can set. You can also add your entire custom one, time or event. And then when you go into Do Not Disturb mode right here, you can actually set how it works. So alarm only, which if it's enabled, the Do Not Disturb mode, only alarm will be able to ring. Don't interrupt, which would basically block everything, and allow priority interruptions only. And with priority interruptions only, you can define priority interruptions, so what's it counted in. And then you have calls, for instance, which you can choose favorite, trusted, anybody from contacts, anyone or no one. So it's just a matter of a preference. And same thing goes for the messages, you have the same options. And whatever you choose here will also be affected then whenever you just tap on it to enable it manually. It will use the priority interruptions as they're set. So that is basically how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.